let's get into the next topic, and that's Alissa's topic. We are going to skip mortgage rates for today and jump right into your topic, Alissa.
They're below 4.
It is. They're below 4. There you go. They're really all-time lows. All-time lows.
CHDAP.
CHDAP. Oh, we got to say that just to say it.
CHDAP.
Part 1 of 10 tips to make the loan process go smoothly, and then we'll have part 2 next week. So
smoothly and fast.
And quick, fast. We got to go smooth and fast. I'm not going to say it, but you guys know what my line is right now. Okay.
We're going to break this down into the 2 segments. One's going to be before escrow, what you can do to help yourself, and then also during escrow. So number 1, before escrow, organize your paperwork before you start talking to lenders. Okay, go ahead and collect all your taxes, collect everything, and this will be key. Put it into, this is going to sound funny, scan it and put it into PDF format. It really...
It's not going to sound funny, but a lot of people just went, huh?
What? Okay.
The dog ears, you know, the tilt, huh?
Right.
Good
if you're
radio.
not
Maple
sure
pie?
what it is...
Really? You did?
Hopefully.
Oh?
Yeah.
You know, the people that I talk to mostly do know what it is. But let's do PDF format.
Ask your kids if you don't.
Ask your kids if you don't.
I like it. Ask your kids.
Because I'll be honest with you, it's when you get this paperwork and it literally can save somebody an hour's worth of time.
What paperwork do they need in it generally?
Taxes, W-2s, bank statements, pay stubs, etc. It's going to be the whole shebang, okay? But if you can get it all into a scanned PDF format, that really will help, and especially for working with one of the larger banks. Sometimes these loan officers will have lots of files.
Recently, just faxing seems so complicated, and like things
Well,
get
it could
lost,
be a
right?
large
It's out of order, and
we're
you're
human
right though. The
too.
PDFs, the
that
scan,
file could literally
email.
go to the bottom if we have another person that it's all nice and organized, or it's easier to access because it literally could take about an hour just to organize your information.
Okay, so number 1.
Number 1, PDF format, and make sure they're clear copies, nothing's cut off, stuff like that. The LO will be your best friend. Number 2, complete the loan application up front. This will also depend on the loan. Sometimes they don't have you complete what they call the 1003 or the loan application. They'll do it when you've entered escrow. Do it up front when you're getting pre-approved. Get it all out of the way. Do the hard work now so you don't have to do it later when things start really going fast. So complete that loan application ASAP. 3, make sure you keep your financial situation the same. We have taken...
Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner.
When you get pre-approved, we've taken a financial snapshot of you. Okay? If anything, make that picture look prettier. Bigger bank accounts. You don't want to be changing jobs. Do not change jobs unless you're going into a better position in the same field. Okay? So try to keep the same.
I had a buyer buy a truck a week before a close of escrow, take on like a $500 a month payment, and boom, they were just gone.
Lost the house.
Don't buy furniture. Don't get a credit card from from Sears.
Correct.
To buy the furniture.
Just wait.
Okay?
Just wait to spend money.
Stand
Just wait
pat.
to get credit.
Yes. Number 4, this is a big one, especially nowadays. Do not move your money around. Okay, if you can
From savings to checking?
Yeah, we see a lot of this, whether oftentimes married couples, they have different accounts. You know, husband will write a check or give them cash for their part of the rent or something, and then they take that cash and they make an ATM deposit. And that's a big, big red flag. Try to keep everything. If you must move things, do it by wiring because it's easy to track. Okay, but try not to deposit any large sums of money that can't be tracked. Don't accept any huge gifts, especially if you are planning on getting
Don't win the mega.
Okay,
Don't win the mega.
You don't need financing.
Actually, that could probably be documented.
Yeah.
Can we document that?
Yeah. So, okay. So
not if you're the lady that worked at McDonald's.
Don't move your money around too much. Okay. Number 5, start shopping for homeowners insurance now. Start getting quotes. Because when you enter escrow, your head's gonna be spinning. Everybody's gonna be asking things from you. The last thing you want to worry about is trying to get your homeowner's insurance put together.
We need an insurance guy on the go-to team.
Well, a great place to start is go to your car insurance company.
Correct, because they may be able to bundle it. I happen to love Wawanisa.
I'm sorry.
Which is different from bungalow.
Wawanisa?
Check it out.
Is that the flavor
Google
you're
it.
drinking?
Google it.
Is that an insurance company?
It is an insurance company.
Wawanisa.
It's a great insurance company.
Well, we just plugged them,
But
didn't
go
we?
ahead and get several quotes now. You don't have to, just tell them that you're looking to buy it. Have them ready so that when escrow time comes, you don't have to do this homework. And you already have it set. You call the one that you've picked up, and then you just go ahead and send it in. those are 5 things that could really help you move the loan process faster. It will, create less gray hairs.
Or you can do like most people and go look for a house first and then go get the money.
Haven't we talked about that before? Let's go look and see what we can buy.
These small things, they may seem small, but they really will help you in the long run.
Are you telling us this because it's not often people actually do this and go through these steps?
That people do this. It's not often. Oftentimes, like if we're getting 5 sets of what we call STIPs, or people sending in their documentation to get pre-approved, if those 5 and one of them, they're all separated, and I've had this happen where somebody sends me the 20-page tax return and it's all JPEGs, and I've got to convert them, put them together, or everything's cut off or stuff like that. Really try to get it organized. That really couldn't. We're human. That may go down to the bottom of the...
just fax it. Because you're going to scan it anyways and put it into a PDF.
Faxing,
Frank's like
costs
faxing.
people a lot of money. Sometimes they have to go to FedEx and they've got to spend $1.75 per page, and then it comes in slanted and crooked.
So, you have to do it again.
So I guess they just have to get on the technology bandwagon and do.
Oftentimes
PDFs.
you can go to work, or send it to
just drive it
somebody, or drive it over. I'll do it too.
Once again, the first step is to your lender. Goes to your mortgage representative.
Organize your paperwork. 2, complete your loan application as soon as possible. 3, make sure you keep the same financially. Number 4, don't move your money around. Number 5, shop for homeowner insurance quotes ahead of time.
What about bonuses? What if I get a bonus during the process?
Track it.
So
just let if you think you're going to get money that's unusual, you should let your loan officer know immediately.
Of course,
if anything's going to change in your income,
anytime I get a gift, it's unusual.
Yep. And this happens often. Okay. And it really could jeopardize things. So.
All right. Well, there you go. Part 1 of 10 tips to make the loan process go smoother. And